channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do again another collective ukay-ukay haul. Mga inukay ko mostly sa Baguio or Libertad. Medyo marami sila. I don't know if I would cut this video into 2 parts para mapakita ko sila sa inyo lahat. Kasi, oh, this one is really heavy. Ayan. Medyo maraming mga bottoms. So, if you wanna see kung anong mga tinrift ko for the past 3 or 2 months, just keep on watching. Let us first start with the tops. Now, for the tops, actually, long sleeve silang lahat kasi I thrifted them for the sake of our Japan trip. Pero, haha, hindi ko sila sinuot. So, ayan, nakatambak sila dito. Yun lang. Share ko lang. Here is the first one. This long sleeves polo shirt na tan colored. Basta parang brownish, light brown, ganun yung color niya. Na-crop ko na siya. So simple and may design lang siya na dalawa dito na dot. So, for my next top, jacket siya. This one I thrifted sa my Baguio. So, this one is from the brand Cambridge University Polo Club. Ayan. Ang cute lang din kasi ng logo niya. Ayan. Ang bala ko dito is i-crop siya and lagyan siya ng garter sa baba para medyo tight siya sa waist. I think this one is only 50 pesos. I thrifted this one sa Baguio Night Market. And hindi siya ganun kakapal. Yung tela niya is parang sa mga polo na button down. Kaya hindi siya ganun kaalansangan kung i-compare mo sa mga jacket talaga. Next is another long sleeves pero 3/4 lang ito. And this one I thrifted sa my Libertad. And this one is from the brand Talbots. I love this color. Peachy. Yung ganun yung color niya. And I'm planning of cropping also this one. I think this one is 25 pesos. If I remember correctly. Next is this. Para siyang jacket pero short sleeves. Ganun. This one is from the brand Colza. Ang plan ko is medyo tanggalin tong sa baba para hindi siya masyado ganun kahaba. Kasi parang awkward ng length niya. Ito, I bought it sa may Baguio din, sa may night market. And I think this one is 3 for 100. So cute. Cute ulit. Kasi cute naman talaga. Next would be this one. My recent ukay sa may Libertad. And this one is not, hindi ganito yung itsura niya. And I've already filmed a thrift flip video regarding this one. So if you wanna see, I'll put the link down below or maglalagay ako ng card dito. So just click it if you're curious on how I made this Brandy Melville inspired na button-down shirt. It's like this. Medyo checkered na gingham print, ganun. Pero it's so cute! I love the way it fits me. Kung amin ko talaga, medyo kumukha talaga nung sa Brandy Melville. And I'm really proud of how I made this top. And this one, I bought it for 20 pesos sa Libertad. One of my favorite thrift flip. And pinaka nagustuhan ng mga tao na thrift flip video ko. Thank you guys. Thank you for the support. I love you! Next is this lavender top. Lavender, purple, violet. Basta yun. And this one is a knitted top. Ang gusto ko lang dito is parang rib na hinahag niya yung katawan mo. And I'm planning na gawin to parang mukhang cardigan. Ayan, parang tatanggalin ko lang to sa baba para nabubuksan siya dito sa may. Basta, makikita niyo na lang sa try-on ko kung paano ko siya iti-thrift flip. And, ang ganda din ng kasi ng color niya. Napaka-rare na makakita ka ng gantong color na top, di ba? This one is from the brand Ann Taylor. And I thrifted this one sa may Baguio. Kasama nung white na parang jacket. Kasama siya dun sa 3 for 100. Next is this top. This white na parang pang swimming. Ganun yung vibe niya sa akin. You can zip it up or just leave it like this. Kung medyo conservative kayo, just zip it up. Pero medyo lang naman na conservative ako, tsaka medyo vulgar. Kaya sa gitna tayo, besh. And this one is from the brand Monkey. Kagaya siya nung na-thrift ko na pants before, yung sa Libertad. And I'm really happy na nakakita ulit ako ng ganun na brand. And they said na it is a sister company of H&M. I'm not sure. Basta yun. Ang ganda ng quality nito, promise. And this one is really thick. This one hindi maalinsangan sa katawan. It's very perfect for this summer. Ang ganda niya suotin. I saw this one sa my kids section. Kids rack. Basta doon sa mga pang-kids. And buti na lang na-jackpotan ko. Kasi this one is not really for the kids. This one is for the women talaga. And it is extra small. And this one has a print here. Baby. I think it's baby. BBY. I don't know. Is it baby? So, yung last top natin is this one. Long sleeve shirt. And it is from the brand Demandor. Demandor. Oh, this one is Popular Vogue. Polo Club. And this one has a tag on it pa nung binili ko siya. And I like this one kasi iba yung print niya sa color niya, di ba? It's blue, tapos may red, ganyan. This one, I'm planning also na i-crop siya kasi nga medyo boring kapag ganito lang yung style niya, di ba? Nabili ko to for, if I remember correctly, below 100 pesos. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. And make sure to like and subscribe and click that bell button beside it para ma-notify kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng new videos. And kindly comment down below din kung ano yung mga video suggestions nyo na gusto nyo makita sa aking channel. Thank you for watching. Bye! God bless! Take care, guys! Stay at home! Bye!